So I just finished taking out Kanani's extensions, and I combed through it and I sprayed it, and some of her hair, it came off, and that was like a bit of a surprise for me. Like, literally this much of her hair came out, and I don't know if it's breakage or if it's just like her hair was shedding, because she has had this hair in since like December, and I kind of think too, like, not spraying it for like basically almost an entire year. Um, it also helped her hair to like come off because her hair wasn't getting any water or anything in it. So, yeah, I don't know. So, basically, what's going to happen now is I'm going to just let her hair sit for today because I kind of don't want to wash her hair today. But then on the flip side, I kind of just think that Kanani's hair just needs like a break from like me touching it and doing anything to it, because I literally just took out her extensions, if you want to call it that, and I sprayed it and I combed it and stuff. And so I don't really want to do anything else to her hair today. I just want to let it like do whatever it feels like doing, and hopefully like we'll have less breakage or shedding or whatever. And then the next time I do her hair, which may be tomorrow or maybe Tuesday or later on in the week, I'm going to do a conditioner treatment, because I've done conditioner treatments on my other dolls and it seems to work on their hair not breaking off. So I'm going to try that, and then I'm going to wash her hair and I'm going to take all of the purple out of her hair. So yeah, the purple air is going, because I kind of think that the purple dye is like ruining her hair. I'm pretty sure like me coloring on her hair with markers, it damaged her hair, but before I even started like dyeing her hair was like breaking off and stuff. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So the next time I do anything to her hair, I'm gonna like film it. So currently it is the next day, Monday, and I am getting ready to do Kanani's conditioner treatment, and I plan on leaving it in the entire day. And I've done a conditioner treatment on like many of my dolls multiple times before, but I have never like left it in for an entire day. So we're just going to have to see how this goes. I don't really think that the conditioner is like going to like do any harm to her hair. I think if anything, it'll like bring good to her hair to help it like not break off and whatever. And then so yeah, the conditioner's going to sit in her hair for a whole day, and then tomorrow I'm going to wash her hair and take out the purple, and yeah, we'll see what else we do. But for right now, I'm getting ready to set up the scene so that I can do her hair. So it's the next day, and currently it is 11:29, which is the time that I finished her hair yesterday. So I'm going to wash her hair now and get the color out, get the shampoo out, the conditioner, and we're going to go from there. So Kanani, it didn't take much for the purple to come out of Kanani's hair. Literally, I put her hair in the water and her purple started coming out, and my homegirl, she stained my hands, so now I have purple nails. And this is what her hair looks like. She has purple and mixed in with the shampoo, so that's like pretty fun. So currently right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this water out because obviously I can't wash her hair with purple water, and I'm going to make a new batch of water. And yeah, and I feel like I'm going to have to wash her hair multiple times. I don't know. We're just going to have to see, but this is currently what's happening right now. So, Kanani has a bit of troll hair right now, but I'm going to comb out her hair and see if I got all of the purple out, and also to see if I got all of the shampoo and stuff out of her hair. And if I didn't, I will go back and do it again. So, yeah, I'm not going to film the part of me combing out her hair because that's just like kind of boring. So, I'll just like see you guys after. So it's been a couple of hours since like I like brushed out, well, combed out Kanani's hair, and I let her hair air dry in a window, and her hair is already dried, and this is what her hair looks like. And on camera it looks like a little bit darker, but this is what her hair looks like. And she does not have any dye in her hair, so, or shampoo or conditioner or anything, so I don't have to wash her hair again, which is good. So yeah, this is Kanani's little mini hair transformation, and she's going to get dressed in something cute, and we're going to take some pictures, and I might do her hair up or something. I don't know, we'll see, and I might insert pictures, but if I don't, this is like the end of the video. So bye.